In today's fast-paced world, technology is rapidly transforming our shopping habits. Consumers need efficient tools to find what they are looking for and complete their purchases confidently. This video explores how React.js can be used to create high-quality e-commerce experiences with dynamic user interfaces. React.js has become the go-to option for developing e-commerce applications due to its exceptional component reusability, robustness, and scalability. By leveraging React, developers can craft dynamic and engaging user experiences that enhance the overall shopping journey. One of the standout features of React.js is its component reusability. This allows developers to build modular and maintainable code, making it easier to scale applications as the business grows. React's robust architecture ensures that e-commerce platforms remain stable and performant under heavy user loads. According to reports, React.js holds a 2.44% market share in the programming frameworks category, competing with 84 other tools. Its popularity continues to rise as more developers recognize its potential for creating seamless and interactive web applications. To illustrate the power of React, let's build a Next.js store step by step. Start by creating a new application with Next.js, then add products to React. Integrate an online shopping cart, define products, and create a summary and preview of the cart. This process showcases React's capabilities in e-commerce development. When developing a React.js-based e-commerce application, frequent updates to the front end are essential. Minor adjustments, such as changing fonts for special sales days, can significantly impact user experience. While frameworks like Angular and Vue offer modern UI building methods, React's simplicity and efficiency make it an excellent choice for e-commerce. Atomic design is a methodology that helps in developing design systems using 5 building blocks: atoms, molecules, organisms, templates, and pages. This approach creates semantic and contextual relationships between interface elements, making it easier to manage and scale e-commerce applications. React.js, combined with Redux, offers significant benefits for e-commerce applications. Redux helps manage the state of an application efficiently, allowing multiple components to access and update data seamlessly. This is particularly useful in scenarios like master detail views, where summarized items and detailed views need to be synchronized. To build a React-based e-commerce app using Redux, follow these steps: visualize state trees, create reducers, take actions, and present the presentation. Visualizing the state tree is crucial for understanding the application's data flow. Designing reducers helps organize data into a single source of truth, making it easier to manage and update. Creating a dynamic online experience is essential for e-commerce success. Ensure that product details, stock levels, and pricing are updated in real time. Personalized recommendations and dynamic shopping carts enhance the user experience, making it easier for customers to find and purchase products. React.js is an outstanding framework for building fast, scalable, and user-friendly e-commerce websites. By leveraging its component-based design and integrating Redux for state management, developers can create dynamic and engaging online shopping experiences that drive business growth.